Hello, my name is Chrissy Carnas. I'm going to be talking about MetaTrader4 in Forex in this tutorial, and my product owner for my project is Mr. Masud Sajadi and my mentor Dr. Sajadi for my project. Starting off, what you see on my screen is what it will look like, or what similarly will look like when you open up the software. It will be on the right hand side the graphs between the trades, or different kinds of trades, as you see on the bottom, like different kinds of trades. Let's say for Euro versus the US and the US versus the Canadians. And this will be helpful to see when you want to buy or sell depending on the trade. So if you want to buy, it will be on the bull trend, and the bull trend will be like something similar to like this, where there's a skyrocket high pitch price going up. And for the bear trend, it will be something like this, where you're going reverse, going down the hill. This is where you want to sell, but not selling at the lower end of the bear trend. You want to sell at least close to the beginning of the bear trend. The same thing with the bull trend, where you want to closely buy almost near to the top or near to the middle. Around there will be a good place to buy. There are other useful tools. Let's say for this one, for Market Watch, this will help you see different kinds of trades going on in the market. It also tells you the bidding price and the asking price between the two values of the currency. It will keep changing during the time. Going down here where it says terminal, there's a different kinds of information that will also be useful to you to keep track on your account or on your trade. Here where it says trade, you can look at what order you have done, whether it be buying or selling within the time frame or the time that you have done. It also will tell you about how much you bought or how much you sold, and along with the price and the profit over here, whether you have won or whether you have doubled the money or have lost some. The most important out of this tool is mostly the trade and the account, the news and the alerts. The alerts is when you don't really want to sit down and look at the computer monitor for very long periods of time. You just want to look at it or glance at it to make sure that you're not missing out on the trend. This will give you alerts whether your price, what you put on the price to be, if it's close to the bear or to the bear trend or to the bull trend. It'll give you an alert to say, hey, come running back to the monitor and buy something or sell, and you'll be gaining more profit. The news will tell you like what's going on within the market. It will tell you all different kinds of trends, whether it's on the bull trend or on the bear trend. For the account history, it's basically statements of what your account's been doing for a given amount of time, along with the order that you have placed, the time that the order was placed, and the profit of what you gained and what you lost. There's different kinds of charts that you can choose, whichever you are comfortable with. This one is a bar chart. The bar chart is totally different from the candlestick chart and the line chart. So what you see, the two sticks, the one in the top is when there's a close price, or when the price is closing. And then The one on the bottom is when the price is opening up. And also when you hover over on the graph, it'll tell you on that bar, on that specific time frame, what it's open, what is high and low, the price, some stuff like that. Now for the candlestick is totally different. It's really commonly used and most popular among the professionals. So the upper stick and the lower stick are usually called the wick, the upper wick and the lower wick. And you see that there are different colors between the two candlesticks. For the bull stick, or for the bull candle, I should say, it's right here, where's the black. Those are the bull candle, and the bear candle are the whites, the color whites. Now the body of the candle meaning is this is how much it takes to get to the top and to the bottom of that time frame. So if I am in 1 hour time, it takes this much time, 1 hour, to make that candle. Or it could be 4 hours. It takes this much to get to the top and get to the bottom. And you can see the difference between, like, if it's the price is open for a very long period of time or have not. Another tool that is also useful to try to pinpoint where the trend will be starting for the bull, or where the bear will be starting, or when does it end. All these tools right here are really useful. The Crosshairs gives like 3 informations between other candlesticks. So it'll be like the difference between this point candlestick to this point of the candlestick is 7. And then in the middle of the information will be the pips, and then the other information will be about the price of that candlestick of that time frame. If you want to check to see the difference between this candlestick from 1 hour and 4 hours, you can tell, oh, this is a sky almost looking like the market is not really going anywhere, so I'm just gonna hold on to my currency and wait until a right amount of moment where it will be a bull trend or a bear trend. Another chart will be the line chart. This also would tell you easily, a really simple chart, where the market is going at, or if it's going at a very low, very high skyrocket, low steep right here, it will be like a bear trend, and the one that's a bull trend will be something like right here, going up, or almost skyraking up, but not really, but it'll be a bull trend. And that's all for the important information on these tools, on how to trade and will be useful for you to trade. If there is any questions, you can contact me at kcardo32@fiu.edu, and my mentor's contact information for further information about the project is sadjadi@cs.fiu.edu, and I'll also post it on the description below. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day.